Every sunset presented by Top 10 Punctuation. Punctuations marks make meaning clear. Here are some tips to help you use punctuation marks so that your sentences are easy to understand. Top 10 punctuations. Begin a sentence with a capital letter. For example, Radha is a good girl. Second, end a sentence with a full stop. It shows that the sentence is finished. For example, Radha is a good girl. Third, if your sentence asks a question, use a question mark at the end. Is Radha a good girl? It is an example. Fourth, if you are writing something urgent, surprising, or if it shows anger, use the exclamation mark at the end of the sentence. For example, wow, what a nice jungle. Fifth, if you are writing a list of things, use a comma to separate each one. For example, I want to eat mango, orange, and apple. Sixth, a comma is always useful when you want to show where a pause in a sentence should be. When you read it, a dash can show an even longer pause. Seventh, a comma might mean the difference between life and death. In this sentence, we will eat Granny up. Let's eat Granny. Put a comma in the right place and we invite Granny to eat with us. Let's eat Granny. Eighth, a column can be useful for writing about facts. You can use it to introduce a list for examples. Remember, you don't need a capital letter after a column unless the word is a proper noun. Ninth, a hyphen is small but makes a big difference. A man eating tiger is very different to a man eating tiger. Can you see how it makes a difference? 10. Apostrophes are useful to show two things: that letters are missed out, does plus not doesn't, and that something belongs to someone or something. The dog's tail. They don't make plurals thought.